Yeah, guys, you are welcome once again. Today we are looking at Eraworkers, and I must tell you that Eraworkers is relatively new in the industry. They don't actually have many users like the other three websites we reviewed in the previous videos, and they have something interesting here. This is their referral program. If you refer somebody and you are giving commission, you are paid commission instantly, and then you are also receiving 5% referral commission for a lifetime, anytime, whether the person is depositing money or earning from the website. You are paid 5% of that commission. It's not that they are taking the person's earnings or your earnings to give to the person, but they are paying you. So that is it, guys. It's a good way to make money. A lot of that is basically affiliate marketing. So you learn this. I'll be leaving a link below if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing, make big monies. I'll leave a link below so that you can join and actually make good money from that. So that is Eraworkers for us here. So you can make good money from this website. So these are here too you can sort by most paying tax. So you have this. So most paying tax. So you see we have $1 here, $1. So this is a relatively new website. So see Pico sign up, and it's featured. So the job is still running. Within 1 day you will be rated. You will be paid 1 day. Once you complete the tax, the employer will look at it within a day, and then if you're satisfied, you are paid. Survey USA, some of these are actually CPA. I'll leave a link if you want to learn about CPA. I'll leave a link below so that you can learn more about CPA and make good money. Then after that link, if you want some more information, you can contact me. I will show you some tricks and strategies that you can use to make good money from that. So you see, you can look at it and choose. So these are some of the most paying websites, campaigns. Let's see, the least among them is around 5 cents. Yeah, 5 cents. That's the least so far, and the highest is $1. So you can also check best rating here, those with the highest success rate. So you have them. And if you want to do a tax here, I think these are the things actually you want to look at. The time to rate what is the most paid, and sometimes the most paid do not necessarily mean it involves a lot. The person just wants the tax to be done very fast so that you can carry on with other things. So that is that. So you also look at the location. Please don't try to cheat. Do not cheat. You will be caught. This website in particular is a very advanced website, even though it is new. So if you try to cheat, by cheating I mean VPN, they will get you. And do not also try to get some shortcuts. If you can't do the job or the tax, leave it. Just leave it and do other things. And one thing I like about this website is also that they have URL shortener. And if you know anything about most of these URL shorteners, apart from things like Bitly and Google URL shortener, what they do is, for example, let's say I put this URL here. What happens is I can give it a name. Let's say Eraworkers. Then I'll create a short URL. They will embed an advert in this. So this will contain an advert, so it will equally pay me. So there are several ways you can actually make money from this website. In fact, I'll be making another video in future on how to make money using shortened URL links, and this is actually one of them. You can make good money from that. Now once I send this link out, anyone who clicks on it, so let's say I send it out, so you see it comes with an advert. This is an advert, you see. So once the advert is shown, somebody may be interested in it, so click to continue. So you see, so somebody may be interested in this, and then I will make money from this. So easy, isn't it? It's very easy to make this kind of money. You create shortened URL. I mean, you can share them on social media, Facebook, Twitter, wherever, and once the person clicks on it, an advert is shown and you are making some money. So that is it, guys. You can make money from these websites. Now, so let's go back to our listing. So you can make good money. Make sure you try this, and let's look at this one. To referral, withdrawal. You can make withdrawals. Here I have not made any withdrawals. All the these sites, I don't have any pending withdrawals or this one. I only join these, you know, to make sure that they are legitimate, and also run campaigns myself. And from other reviews, I know they are working. And once I run a campaign, it runs through to completion. I'm satisfied. I know it is the same. Those that are not legitimate, I will not risk showing them to you guys. I wouldn't do that, right? So that is that. Definitely, if you are interested, you can join and you can make some good money from here. They have a referral program. There are several ways you can make money. One is by doing the tax. 2 is by referring. 3 is by using the short URL management system. So you can use this to also make money as well. So guys, that is it. So once again, I'll be leaving the link below. You can click on it and join, and I'll leave another link where I will show you how to make good money, where you can make at least $5 per referral and up to 40% commission on monthly basis. This is very good money. In fact, that is one of my chief sources of income and other things. So guys, do not forget to check on the links. I'll leave about 3-4 links below. If this brought some value to you, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not done that, and also please leave a comment below and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much. I love you. I'm grateful.